Alright, good morning, good morning. Today's Tuesday, May 16, 2017, and we're doing the morning headlines commentary. Something that came about, saying that the president released highly sensitive information. That has nothing to do with business, so I can't really comment on this thing. And also Russia is playing on the melting Arctic. The only thing that's playable if that melting Arctic is to have new waterways that you can, transport new materials, new routes to transport cargoes. Alright, they said there's declines in U.S. housing starts. That may jump back up a little bit, so I wouldn't worry about it. Wall Street thinks Trump is all talk when it comes to breaking up banks. It's very complicated with breaking up big banks. The consequences, but you know that it's good for the economy when you break up big banks. When you break it up, say that one big bank into two smaller banks, that means you need to have duplicate personnel at the top executive management area. You need two CEOs, two presidents, two COOs, two board of directors. That's good for the economy when you break it up because you need to hire more people. Alright, let's see Wall Street Journal. Okay. As I mentioned before, the market was doing well yesterday. And I think it will continue to move forward to 2200 within this day or two. Crude oil going up to 41 cents due to the output agreement that is not going to be followed by any countries that want to keep their market shares in the oil market, because you commit to cutting output. What it is for the opportunity for other countries that's not within the deal to sell more oil and produce more and take over your market share. So this is an artificial push up on the stock price, on the oil prices. That's it. Alright, the Dow futures doing good at 48. The ransomware attack, yeah, is now linked to North Korea due to some signatures inside the code. Yeah. There's an engagement between Japan and China on economic developments. Kraft Heinz is a food company, and their main staple is the ketchup, Heinz ketchup. I don't know, but I get bored of eating ketchups all the time. So even though they may be a staple in fast food like McDonald's and stuff, this is a very, very simple company to run. Alright. CNBC breaking news. U.S. industrial production rose 1% in April versus 0.4% increase expected. So that's good, exceeding expectations. Hedge funds have a tough year, only 2 managers top 1 billion. Yeah. Goldman just put $1,000 price target on this red hot surgical robot maker. Alright, let's see. Is it like a striker or what it is? Intuitive Surgical shares because robot-assisted procedure will double in the next 2 years. Intuitive Surgical. That's interesting. SC is probably like one of those BS stocks. Like the other one, like Angie's List, the same thing. Nvidia is still doing good. Tesla went down 2.7%. Today's Tuesday, and I think like the focus is the higher Dow to 2200. So that's not bad. What I think about the ransomware, I think Microsoft should be legally liable for all these damages for creating bad products. Just like a car company created bad, designs, engineering design that caused damage in a highway. This is the same thing with Microsoft always creating bad products with bad codes that allow these things to happen. It's an unending drip of these new vulnerabilities with Microsoft Windows. And I think this guy, his net wealth should be a quarter of what it is right now, because it's his fault that keep making these crappy codes into Windows. And he's not even supporting that much as well. There's a ton of vulnerabilities now because he's not supporting Windows 7. At least that's what I think. That's my opinion. It's not the fault of any other entities. It's just the fault of Microsoft. That should be legally liable for making bad software products. Alright, so today is May 16, 2017, and some noted commentaries that's sometimes actionable. Is Modi went for Amazon's big hug when I feature Amazon in one of my videos. What else? More recently, Funimation become a takeover target that owns Dragon Ball. I feature Goku and Gohan in my eating videos a lot before that. Alright, so today's Tuesday, May 16, 2016, and happy trading.